Hey guys, so today I'm doing a quick review on this Omron fat loss monitor. I really like this monitor, guys, because it helps you keep track of your body fat and your BMI, which is your body mass index. It is also super easy to use. These buttons down here will help you set all of your information and all of your stats. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works. We're gonna go ahead and press the on button so we can turn on the monitor, and then we're gonna start setting in all of our information. So we're gonna press set again. We're gonna put in our height. So I really like that it has like the 1/4, half, and then it has the 3/4 as well. We're gonna press set, put in our weight. So your weight, you can go up and down as well. And then we're gonna press set, put in our age, up and down as well. And then we're gonna put in if we're male or female. And once we're done putting in all of our information, just make sure that your hands are placed in the correct position. As you can see, my thumbs are wrapped around the controller. I'm also standing up straight so I can get a better reading. And then we're gonna press start. So it's going to start reading off based on your stats. As you can see, we have a low, normal, high, very high, and then it's going to read off. So it says normal even though my stats are not correct. But yeah, guys, that's basically how it works. I really like this fat loss monitor. It helps you keep track of everything, and I would definitely recommend it.